Well, guys, the truck has made it home. We're gonna put it here under the carport because we got all that rain and stuff growing. Listen to me, I can't even think straight, people. All that rain coming from the hurricane. So, hey, let the wind blow. I'm gonna stick Todd's butt up underneath this carport working on that truck. Because I got to keep him out of that car. He'll be had that car towed up.
I thought you was gonna work on it.
I ain't working on nothing. That's Todd and Buddy's mess they left out in buckets when they butchered them chickens. Jake! Okay. Okay, there we come, there we come, there we come. I done knew it was just gonna be a big old drop, y'all. Look at that. Oh, Jesus! It gonna tear the bumper off, people. There it goes. There it goes. Y'all see that? I just knew the tire was gonna just drop the truck like bam. Alright guys, that's it. The big red made it home. Stay tuned for the working of the vehicle when Todd fixes that beast. Now don't forget to leave me a comment. Look at that. This one has a, what is that? A Cummins turbo diesel. Ram 2500 heavy duty. So what do y'all think? It should have said F-O-R-D on there, Ford diesel. Let me know. Leave your comment and let us know what's the best vehicle. Is it the Ram, Dodge Ram diesel, or is it the Ford diesel? That's it, guys. Bye. Stay tuned for part 2 of the Red Beast. Bye, y'all. Don't forget to hit that like button.
Hello, everybody. Well, today's work on truck day. You know, I was coming home from work yesterday and the front end went to squealing, smoke went to flying, all that good normal stuff. I got a bearing out in the front end of this truck. We got it towed in today. And I'm not going to bore y'all with me working on this thing. There's 5 or 6 videos of just this truck changing that spindle out in the front. It's the bearing out, and you buy it by the whole assemble. But there's a little trick to this when you're changing it out. And if you look on YouTube, you'll find it. That's where I found it at. But there's a lot of people that don't watch YouTube all the time. That, you know, some of them that watch my channel, some good friends of mine. And I called one of my buddies, and I asked him. His name was Wayne. I said, Wayne, when you fighting that spindle to get that spindle out of there, there's 3 bolts in the back of it that hold it on. I said, how you get it out of there? He said, well, I get me a hammer, and I go to beating with a chisel, and then get it out. You know, it takes a while. Sometimes you got to heat it. They're a pain in the tail to get out of there. But I'm going to show you a little trick on how to get it out. And like I said, it's on the internet already, but I'm going to show y'all how to do it. I'm going to show you this tire right here. Go down. See how it's, look, I'll get you in line with the truck. See how it's leaning in? Most time when your tire is leaning in like that, it's either a bearing or it's your upper or lower joint, your ball joint. One of them went out. Well, this one here happens to be the bearing. And I noticed the tire is low, the rim's all scraped up on the inside. I don't know how much damage I got, but I'm fixing to tear into it and find out. When I get to that point of how to get that assembly out, I'll show you, I'll bring you back in. Alright y'all, I got the camera set right up on top of you. There's 4 bolts on this one right here. There's 2 on the bottom. Okay, you got to come to them from the back side. This is like a sleeve. This slides inside of this piece, and it goes in there about that far, and it rusts up all the way around that. Now this thing right here can be a booger to get out. So what I did is loosened all 4 bolts up, run the bolts back until they're even right here. So that gives me about a 1/2 inch gap on the back side of that bolt that's loose. I'm going to go inside the truck, start the truck, and turn the steering wheel and let the back of this ratchet touch right there, and use the power of the power steering to push this out. Let's try it and see what happens. That's what you want to see right there. See how it popped this back out? I just used the power of that hydraulics to take and push this out. Just a little tip that I wanted to show y'all right there. Them little bitty tricks right there can save you hours of getting this baby out. Because I'm telling you, I have fought it for a long time to get it out before. Now I got another problem I run into. Backside of this caliper right here, there's 2 bolts, top and bottom. That's what holds your whole brake caliper on. That's what you call a broke bolt. I broke it off getting it out of there. I guess it got too hot when it was on the inside when the tire was rubbing, because I run it for probably 1/2 mile to get it off the road. I was in a bad curve where it really went bad on me. And I drove it with the tire leaning in a little bit so I could get off the main road, keep from causing a wreck or something. I had people all over me. Excuse me, it is hot out here, y'all. But that's another problem I'm going to run into. And they probably don't sell that piece right there. I'll probably have to go to the dealer to get it. Or some kind of U-pull it. But let me see if I can get the rest of this stuff changed around. I just had to show you all that little trick. That's going to be in this video. I'll figure out how to get all this back together. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. Don't be talking about my Dodge now. I like my Cummins motor. Yeah, I'm a Chevrolet man, but I like that Cummins motor. I like the Ford body style. They all gonna break down on you. I don't care which one you got. You're gonna work. You keep it long enough, you're gonna work on it. And if you're gonna homestead, and you ain't got plenty of money, you're gonna be the one working on it. Or you'll learn how. I have. God bless y'all. Bye-bye. Alright y'all, I'm going to turn my fan back off a minute, show y'all what happened. Alright, when I pushed that piece out, which was this right here, I put this behind it, and I put my ratchet. I put an old ratchet in there. I didn't care if it broke it or not. It was one of them I needed to chunk in the trash anyway. It busted your knuckles all the time because it's messed up. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it actually bent that piece right there. That's an extension. That's a 1/2 inch drive extension, and it bent that thing. So it's got a little pressure on it when it pushes it. This is the bearing. That's bad. There ain't nothing left to it. It's gone. Call that a trout line weight. This is what the new one looks like. That's the bearing right there. Nice and tight and pretty. This little lip right here is what goes in right here, and that's what rusts up on you. You clean it up real good when you put it back on. Hopefully I won't have to change it again for a while, but we know how to get it out now. This is your sensor. Usually you unplug it, take it out, that one there, it tore it plumb off. So I mean, it comes with a new one anyway. But if it wouldn't be for that bolt broke off in there, I could put this thing back together. Another 30 minutes, I'd have it running. All right, guys, I just had to give you all that extra.